everyone, so it is about 2:30 and we are, right now I'm at Chucky's yard, but we're gonna go into Port Antonio to get some saltfish and ackee. We already have breadfruit, so we're gonna come back and cook with Chucky, saltfish, ackee, and breadfruit. So you're gonna see that in a little bit. We're gonna cook it right over here in that pot on the rocks. So yeah, it's gonna be really good. This is my first time cooking or eating ackee, so I'm really excited. I've had saltfish before, but yeah, this is gonna be really good. And yeah, you can come in the car with us to Port Antonio. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, but keep on watching. This is gonna be a really good one, and you're gonna see Chucky in a second. All right, bye guys. All right, so we just got, I don't know if we're yet in Port Antonio, but we're somewhere near it, and we found a little supermarket. So we're gonna go inside and get the ingredients we need for the saltfish and ackee. You have the money? Yes, but remember, don't take it.
Alright, so they had some music playing in the store, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover, but here you see we're getting some scallion, and I got more scallion than we would ever need, but it's okay because we did a lot of cooking with Chucky. And then I thought I saw some jackfruit in this fridge. I got super excited, but anyway, so we get some ingredients here, and then stay tuned because much later on in the video, you see we go to a fruit stand outside, and you guys will meet Biko, and he has his store in Norridge, Portland. So he has fruits, vegetables, he has organic, natural coconut oil, castor oil, everything you could need. And then here I asked this woman for some Scotch bonnet, but she didn't have, so you'll see we get that later with Biko. Stay tuned.
All right, so here's everything we got at the first place. We got some garlic, tomatoes, and scallion. So we still have a few things we need to get at the next supermarket for our food. Okay, so we're in the next supermarket now, and we asked the person at the front, and he said that there should be saltfish back here. So I think even if it's not right here, I think they still have some. He said over here though, I think. Do you know where the saltfish is?
Eh?
Saltfish. In the fridge? Oh, can I get some? Just a saltfish. Oh, okay. Can I get some saltfish?
2 pounds?
No. 2 pounds? Kind of a lot. Can I see how big it is?
How big it is?
Okay. But Chucky's eating and everyone's gonna eat it. Thank you. It's okay if I film or no? No? Okay. Me too? Or just the camera? Oh, he told me to come. The guy told me to come. Oh, sorry. I thought they wanted me to come.
Good amount.
Good amount? Okay. This one. Complete seasoning. No, we don't want that kind of thyme. Fine, we'll get this thyme, but we're gonna try and find the fresh thyme. All right, now we're gonna get some allspice, also known as pimento berries. All right, here are some peas, and then we just need to get rice now. All right, here's the oil we're getting, just some vegetable oil, and now we're gonna go pay.
Oh. Baba?
Yeah.
You have a bag?
No, can we have one? My last name, D-Y-M.
D-Y-M?
M.
M as in Mike.
Yes. A-N-T.
A-N-T.
But if you search me on
Is this for
Instagram
YouTube?
first, it's for both, but I think probably easier to find on Instagram, and then it has my YouTube from there. Yeah, what's your name?
Rajay.
Rajay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, the ones from here, they're not going to be up yet until like next week or something, but...
No problem. I'm going to subscribe.
Okay, all right.
Notification bell also.
Yes, okay, thank you. I'll follow you back. Okay, all right, bye. Hi, it's us again. Oh, we wanted to know, do you have any Scotch bonnet?
Yeah.
Okay, is it that one back there?
Yeah.
Okay, can we get maybe like 4? So we actually went to the same fruit stand yesterday, and I didn't realize They had the Scotch bonnet here.
You want a green one or you want two ripe one?
The ripe one, yeah.
Ripe one.
Maybe 2 greens and 2 ripe. Thank you. Thank you. And what about Aki? Do you have any Aki?
No, not many Aki.
No
Aki
Aki.
kind of run out now. To the Oliver rain.
In general, can't find it anywhere.
You might get lucky somewhere on the road. Depends on
Okay.
how far you're going.
Yeah, we went to a supermarket, but they didn't have it there.
Yeah, because really gone scarce really.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you're passing back in a week still or something, you'll get some.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Try to hunt it and make a get it.
Okay, thank you. So we should just stop by here.
Yeah, pass here tomorrow.
Probably. You want to take my number? Here's a Scotch bonnet, by the way. We got some ripe ones and then some green ones we still have to ripen. Okay, 203?
2-3.
Yeah. 80. Okay. All right, thank you.
Same here, yeah?
The jackfruit was really good yesterday.
Yeah? I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, really good. And actually it got better the longer we waited. Like today was even sweeter and
Yeah,
juicier.
because you get more right.
Yeah, much more
Alright,
ripe.
Sydney, nice to meet you again.
Okay, you
I
too.
appreciate it. Yeah.
Okay. We just got back to Chucky's now. Hi. Like this.
Oh, saltfish.
Saltfish, yeah.
Oh, scheiße. That's so much saltfish.
I know.
But
Because we didn't know, like, we wanted to make sure we had enough for you. Maybe we just cooked like half or something?
yeah, but saltfish need hockey or something.
What about breadfruit?
Oh, well, yes, you can cook with breadfruit.
Okay.
And onion.
We got onion.
Yes. Don't cook the rice and peas. Rice and peas need something more different, you know.
Oh, like chicken.
Yeah, it's all good for saltfish.
Okay.
So better roast the breadfruit, you know.
Okay.
And then cook up the saltfish with onion and blah, blah, blah.
Okay. We have tomatoes too.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. So make sure you come back for the next video where we actually do the cooking with Chucky. So it's mostly him cooking, but I actually help and I do some stuff too, and the food turns out really good, so you don't want to miss that one. But thanks again, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.